Hi guys, this is Dr. Parviz again with you. Welcome to our weekly talks. Today we're going to be talking about why it is so important to take a nutritional supplement or a food complement called chlorella. Actually, the biggest threat, health threat we face today in our advanced world is the large amount of toxicity. Toxins are filling up our environment really badly. From the water we drink, food we eat, air we breathe, from anything that we touch around us, from the plastic bottles we drink water from the toys our children collect in their rooms, and so on and so forth, we are surrounded with horrendous amount of toxins. Millions of tons of toxic and obnoxious chemicals are being made by human and dumped in the environment in every second year. Started from the 1930s and on, and every year it got worse and worse and worse. Now, a lot of these toxins, when they enter our body through our skin or through our breath or food, they combine with the fat in our body. By fat, I mean the membrane of the cells or the brain tissue. They become a part of our body. We cannot get rid of a piece of plastic that is trapped in us because basically we don't have enzymes for them. And when a toxin is entered in our body, what does it do? It disturbs the balance. A supplement like chlorella, which is the food of astronauts, will not only provide large amount of nutrients, stuff that are missing from our daily food today, but also it has incredible capacity to very gently remove any form of toxin, the majority of the toxins from our body, such as heavy metals or plastic-based materials, and so on and so forth. The Japanese product chlorella, which is called Sun Chlorella, is the best and the ultimate form of this product because they have been focusing on this single product for the last 43 years plus. And this single product has been the winner among thousands of other products that are introduced every year in an exhibition in the US market. And this one is the one that is picked at the most. So take chlorella and recommend it to anybody you love in your life. They live longer and healthier.
So what exactly is Sun Chlorella? Simply put, it's nature's perfect superfood. Perfect because it's known to be one of the most complete, highly nutritious and medicinal green foods on Earth. Sun Chlorella is an isolated strand of a pure, nutrient-dense freshwater algae containing the highest known chlorophyll concentrations of any known food. Since the late 19th century, researchers have considered chlorella to be a highly efficient and sustainable food source. Its unique ability to rapidly replicate with just water and sunlight prompted modern scientists to examine chlorella as a viable option to help solve global crises, such as air and water purification, famine, sustainable energy, and much more. As one of the planet's earliest microscopic plants, it contains the basic building blocks for all subsequent life on Earth. Its genetic code and makeup has survived virtually unchanged and in perfect form for the past 540 million years. One of Sun Chlorella's most unique nutrients is chlorella growth factor, a rich nucleotide peptide complex of DNA and RNA, ingredients needed to help build, replicate, and repair the body's cells. It boasts all 9 essential amino acids needed for metabolic and biologic functions, a wide spectrum of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, including beta-carotene, lutein, and other carotenoids used to aid the body's natural defense. Essential to vegans and vegetarians, Sun Chlorella is a proven source of active B12, which helps the body produce energy, facilitates blood formation, DNA synthesis, and other key metabolic functions. Ounce per ounce, it contains more protein than any other known food, more than beef and chicken combined, and is a rich source of a unique and highly bioavailable fiber with powerful detoxifying properties.
Sun Chlorella is what I describe as a nutrient-dense food. That is to contrast it from all those foods that provide empty calories. You know, we've been on the warpath against people consuming empty calories like high sugar, high white flour processed foods. And chlorella is very, very nutrient dense. That means that most of the nutrients, or just about all the nutrients it contains, are important for our body and not hurtful and not wasteful.
For generations, health professionals have touted the importance of a nutritious diet. Unfortunately, in today's food culture, we can't always get the proper nutrition our bodies need to stay healthy. In fact, most of us suffer from stress and conditioned habits, such as emotional eating or consuming more readily available processed foods. Commercially grown fruits and vegetables are not much help. Over time, unsustainable farming practices have stripped our soil of its vital minerals and nutrients. Agricultural pesticides are widely considered to be degenerative and toxic, while the effects of genetically modified foods are yet to be understood. From the air we breathe, the food and water we consume, and the stress of our daily lives, our bodies are bombarded with free radicals. Poor eating habits and long-term exposure to these toxins have been directly correlated to disease and terminal conditions. However, awareness is our greatest weapon against these issues. We can live stronger and longer by making well-informed choices. Scientific studies show that when taken regularly, Sun Chlorella nourishes and fortifies our body's systems with its dense store of nutrients, while naturally removing heavy metals and other toxins right out of the body. It naturally boosts our energy, and its unique cell wall fiber binds to toxins, cleansing the digestive tract as it passes through our system. Sun Chlorella also helps keep our body alkaline, balancing the acidic environment in which cancer is thought more likely to develop. As a prebiotic, it helps keep a proper balance of flora and fauna, the good bacteria in the gut, boosting our ability to naturally fight disease and illness. When our bodies are free of toxins, nourished and properly balanced, the load on all our systems is reduced, so we naturally feel better and have more energy. Sun Chlorella is made from the purest ingredients. Starting with a single strand of Chlorella pyrenoidosa, it's grown in optimal conditions in pools of pure mineral-rich water. Sunshine fuels photosynthesis, and rapid cell replication creates the tiny plant known as Sun Chlorella. With its cell wall intact, our bodies cannot fully absorb the plethora of nutrients contained within the chlorella cell. Other chlorella brands use heat or chemicals to break the cell wall, methods proven less effective and damaging to the vital nutrients within. Exclusive to Sun Chlorella, the dynomill process creates harmless variances in pressure, pulverizing the chlorella cell wall, making it and the vital nutrients inside available for our bodies to absorb. The pulverized cell wall also provides a highly bioavailable dietary fiber, giving Sun Chlorella its extraordinary chelating abilities and detoxifying properties.
Sun Chlorella Corporation are very careful about making a very nutritious product. They test every batch, grow it under very careful conditions, maximize the amount of sunlight, a good source of clean water, and then processed in the most ideal way. With the other chlorella products, you may not get that as much a benefit or any benefit at all.
Manufactured under strict GMP standards, ensures customers receive a fresh, long-lasting product with an average shelf life of 3 years, without the use of preservatives or fillers.
So to make everything summarized again is that we need to take constantly something with our food that will help us get rid of these obnoxious toxins faster and easier. Don't forget, the younger generation will carry on more and more toxicity in them. As a parent, I love my children, and I'll do anything to make them safer and healthier.
With over a dozen locations worldwide, Sun Chlorella Corporation leads the way in product innovation, health advocacy, and corporate social responsibility. Whether it's building relationships in local communities or working to feed malnourished nations, the founders' guiding principles continue to fuel the company's mission, advocating health and compassion through the amazing healing properties of Sun Chlorella.
So this is my final recommendation. Take chlorella on daily basis, complement your diet with them, and recommend it to anybody you love in your life. They're gonna live longer and healthier, it's guaranteed. This is Dr. Parviz again. Thank you for watching and hope to see you next week.